Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix can't connect to server in Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser, and on your browser you need to write Rainbow Six Siege server status, and then probably it will be the first option here. And then what you need to do here, you need to look if the servers are working fine on basically Ubisoft end. So expand all options here, and if there is no faults here, you're good to go. You can proceed with other steps, but if basically servers are not running, for example, if you're playing on PS4, it's not running, you just need to wait. And another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that you have a good internet speed and connection. To do so, you just need to go to speedtest.net and then just test your internet speed. And if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. You can proceed with other steps, but if you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or do other things to increase your internet speed. And after that, if the problem persists, simply you just need to open up a command prompt or cmd, right click, run as administrator, and then here you need to put a few commands here. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS, and another one is nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to search, settings, and then you need to go to network and internet, press on advanced network settings, scroll down until you see more network adapter options here. Then locate your internet connection. For me is Ethernet cable, so what I need to do here is to disable, right click, disable for a few seconds here, and enable again. And after that, I just need to right click again, go to properties, make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then what you need to do here next is to double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select this option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.